Hey YouTube, Jimmy C here, out in the garage. We're going to play with an air compressor today. We're going to try and replace this air pressure switch because the one that's on it don't work. Let's learn something together. Let me move you over here and see what we can show you. I don't know about all this. Looking pretty sketchy. This is what you get when you let somebody else order the parts. Okay, get that out of there. Hey YouTube, Jimmy C here, out in the garage playing with this air compressor. It showed up in my yard a little while back with this on it, beyond economical repair. Screwed around with it, figured out that the shut-off switch is gone. You know, found it online for 50 bucks. Turns out that it ends up being the tenant upstairs that got it off his mother or whatever, something to that effect. So I had him buy the part, you know, because it's pretty much his, but it'll, you know, it'll be in here, so I'll do the work, and I got the time. And well, let's just say he didn't buy the part that I told him to buy. He bought a cheaper one, so it has made this a little more challenging. And you know, I had tried to make this video the other day and lost that footage. It's okay though, because I was aggravated because he didn't buy the right part. But I've made it fit. I needed to buy, well actually I didn't buy them, I found them. I had to get a couple of these to make things work. The only thing I'm wondering about now, and let me show you, or attempt to show you, because I gotta move this thing now. There we go. Let's see if we can aim this thing properly. Flip this. Yeah. Well, I had to replace this here, and you know, maybe we can show you down. Can you see down there? That little fitting? Yeah, that's the one. That's the first one I replaced. This is the other one. But the real problem is this here didn't line up. It's not the same, because this fitting was on here. You know, it was on the end of the hose. This is the pressure switch. So now it's this thing hooked up in here. So this might reach over there when I'm all done. It looks like it will, you know, but we gotta finish wiring it up, and then hopefully it'll work. Let me put you guys someplace safe. Find the compressor. There we go. Is that good enough? Maybe a little that way. Maybe I should turn this way. Let's see how that goes.